on BPI, money market funds are ideal for short-term saving because they invest in highly liquid securities with the objective of capital preservation and income. So the advantage of BPI Invest Money Market Fund is this investment fund intends to achieve for its participants liquidity and stable income derived from a diversification portfolio of primary short-term fixed income instruments. It is suitable for investors with at least a moderately conservative risk profile. So, ang example nila na is ang money time deposits and treasury bills. Also, akong ganahan na is gusto kong big return sa ako ang investment. That's it.